Hello students, today's Indian sociologist is Mr. G.S. Ghure. His full name was Govind Sadasiv Ghure and he was born on 12th December 1893 at Malwan in West Indian coastal states. His family was a very rich family and but after the time they were or his family were just became poor and then he struggled a lot of during his young age. In 1913, Mr. G.S. Ghure admitted in the Elphinstone College in Mumbai. On that time, this was called Bombay, and in Sanskrit honors, he completed his graduation. After the completion of post graduation in Sanskrit and as well as in English, Mr. Ghure was selected for the research in sociology and he was given the scholarship and then he got the education in London School of Economics by L.T. Hobhouse, who was one of the famous sociologists of that time, and then he also got the education in Cambridge University and also completed his PhD degree in 1922. And after that, he came back to Mumbai and started the sociological work as well as the teaching of sociology in Mumbai University, and he established the sociology department in Mumbai University. He also started the PhD program in Mumbai University, and Mr. G.R. Pradhan was the first people who completed his PhD degree under the supervision of Mr. G.S. Ghure. Mr. G.S. Ghure also established Indian Sociological Society and he became the founder as well as the head of this organization. The main research and work in sociology that was done by Mr. G.S. Ghure, this was especially the casteism and racism in India. And Mr. G.S. Ghure started the study and research as well as the analysis about the casteism and role of the caste in Indian society. And at last, he completed a lot of new ideas and new research that are providing uh, overall knowledge about the Indian casteism and caste system to all the educational departments as well as the students of sociology in all around India as well as in all around the world. So, the caste and the race was a main research and main topic that was taken by Mr. G.S. Ghure, and he has given a broad work in caste and racism. Herbert Risley was the first man who divided the human beings into some separate races on the basis of the physical characteristics, and he believed that India was a lab for the studying education of racial types because intercaste marriages is prohibited in India. G.S. Ghure also believed Risley's theory and he adopted that this theory was true For North India and in other parts of the India, intergroup differences were not very large. Thus, racial purity was preserved only in endogamy was introduced into already in many regions of the country.